ni pilak banyo iya u Joshua u kena u badang kat kendai senem karta. Kat ba udang ajing pelah po hospital. Rengkat ki jan hospital ki ba upong. Bat ki kenja monitor. Ki bala pendat hakamat ke jong u. U Joshua u dan hapo hospital. Na ke bentar ke jing sitam ke bajur ba. Bat hapo ki hindriu telikis ngi ki ba ulasa hapo hospital. Ulaya tu ba ulayap Arsien. Bat baro Arsien ulapoi siapo dujok. Kadau ka bala penpoi dujok ya u kalong. Wat lada uladep pen baptis. Bat ngej ha u Jisu. Penban ulaya tu ba u klem da sim kia ya ke jinget jeng u. Bat ulangam penban ha ke jing di buat. Kum ha ka kiat bat ha u drugs. Bat ula kerni baru ha ke jing di secret. Kini ki jing im balangkar jeng u kila keta ya kamat jeng u. Bat ula kempang hadu ba omdan jing kerman syu ya u. Ba undang im. Syu u Joshua ulaya tu. Ba ki breu ki badan hapok dujok. Ki yam ki lanyar. Bat ulaya kenduk ru ya usaitan markmat. Bat usaitan ula khot ya u. Kum ukun jeng u. Ubatai ya ki jat jing pensitam. Ki ba ki breu ki ya. Kat kum kapop ke baki lalek men baki dangdon hakane ke pertai. Bat ula ai nuksa. Ba ulio i baki tu ki breu ki ba syong ka patar. Bat ki ba hap haka pop klim. Ke pop aurea men baki dangdon hakane ke pertai. La syus din ya ki haudin. Bat latang ya ki da kading. Nrei shwa ba usoitan unia ban kenyat ya usya kapung kading. Ulaya iya ublay. Bat ublay ula ong ni hau. Kapor jang me banyap kampat day. Kilit paino. U Joshua wat lada umyo bandrong siya beneng. Nrei ulaya tu ba ulaya iya ke beneng. Baka don haki benta basyalor. Bat ka dujok ka don haki benta ki basyapo. Ulaya iru ya ki breu baki ya lum saudang ya kemet ke jeng u. Bat ka jingmat jeng u ya ka dujok sipor. Kala pensuk jari u. Bat ulaya tu haki parlok jeng u. Baki day bandia sok na bat ublay marmar. Namar ka beneng bat ka dujok. Ki day ki jaka. Ki badadon sisya. Ka dujok ka day ka jaka ka baingiw bat ba snow trim. Haka baki jinglan yar jeng ki breu. Ki mi na ka jing ka ang jeng ki ban panmap na ublay. Nrei ka por ka bakin yo jing mapat. Kala dir e.
What I'm finna say, actually, what I'm about to say might scare a couple people. Yeah, I'm good. Everything's straight. You know, I don't even want to tell my truth. I'm scared. Like, I died twice. And when I died, and y'all, when I say heaven and hell is real, like, I ain't even saying it to be crazy. Like, heaven and hell is for real. Like, I died twice. And the crazy part is I went to hell. Like, heaven and hell is for real. Like, for real, like, bro, I went to hell, bro. Like, I'm real dealing hell. Me talking to the devil, like heaven and hell is for real, bro. It ain't what like people seem. Like when I died, bro, like I saw the afterlife. Like I saw the like me and like the devil literally talking to me, bro. Like now look, I can't drive for 6 months. I can't work. All I'm trying to say is, bro, like, get right with God, bro. Like, before it's too late. Like, get right with God, bro. Like, they don't understand. Like, I saw, like, bro, the devil really there talking to me, bro. Like, I'm in hell. People screaming. People scared. If it wasn't for God telling me it wasn't my time, bro, I would not be on live today. Bro, I died twice. You don't know how hard it is, bro. Like, I died twice. My mama was scared. My cousins, my little brother and them scared. And for my homeboy that calling me my homeboy, ain't none one of them came up here and checked on me. None of that. I'm laying in my deathbed. The devil literally riding me in my sleep. Bro, it ain't even like, bro, whatever y'all going through, bro, like, just, I don't know, bro. All I'm saying is, bro, get right with God before it's too late, bro. Like, what I seen, bro, like, bro, it's, bro, like, it probably gonna traumatize me for the rest of my life, bro. I promise, bro. I was so scared, bro. I'm real deal face to face with the devil himself. The devil, bro. And he ain't like, it ain't none of that, how would, like, he don't, like, he's a real human being. Like, I'm real deal. The devil calling me his son, bro. Everything in the Bible, everything that I seen, bro, was in the Bible. It was unfolding. Like, as I'm in hell, bro, I see people in the fire crying, pleading, like, asking for forgiveness, bro. It was too late.
Too late for them.
Bro, I'm in hell, having conversations with the devil, bro. I died twice.
But the Lord said,
like, them drugs, like, I can't smoke, I can't do none of that. My speech, man, oh, everything. Like, bro, this is not a game. I had six or seven? Like, this is my fourth day in the hospital. I can't work, I can't drive, I barely got an appetite. My mama really gotta watch my back. I don't know when I might have another episode. I gotta take 100 milligram pills every 2 days. Welcome me like he was saying like my son. And after that, all I heard was a voice saying, "It's not your time yet." That's when I woke back up. Like, the devil really wanted me in his kingdom. Like,
yeah.
Like, bro, this stuff is scary, bro. Like, and so many people was burning. Like, every time, like, he had his chosen people. Where, like, the devil, he'll be like, he's staying with me, like, and he's gonna stay in the fire. Like, as he was talking to me, he was kicking people into the fire and laughing, like. He's such a, like, and then his voice is beautiful, like, it's not what people tell y'all, like, the devil is. Like, I'm literally sitting face to face with the devil. After my second, then again, after my body left my soul again for the second time. And as the second time, that's when I saw, Gigi. Like, I died twice. Bro. I'm in hell. And I seen heaven. Heaven and hell, like, it's no up and down, bro. It's all up. Literally, it's all up.
Ooh. Wow.
And then once you walk and once you go into hell, bro, it's a long road, and and then the end of the road, it's a gate. It's a big gate, and it closed. Like, I'm not lying, bro. Like, I seen the devil, me and him, like, he literally ran me in my sleep. Like, the devil really had me, bro. Like the devil really had me. And then if it wasn't for God, bro, I would have died. I would have been dead.
Yeah.
It would have been so many rest in peace on my timeline. If it wasn't for God telling me it wasn't my time, I would have been dead. Like, the stuff I seen, bro, like, this stuff I seen, bro, it's gonna traumatize me for life, bro. And I hurt so many people, bro. Like, my little brother, like, I'm looking at my little brother. As my body, when my soul was out of my body, like, I can see people surrounding me, like. Yeah, the stuff I seen was crazy. All I'm finna say is, like, just get right with God, bro.